I Drive a Crane by Sarah Bridges. Illustrated by Amy Bailey Muhlenhart. My name is Peter. I drive a tower crane. My crane lifts things that are too heavy or awkward for other machines to lift. It is taller than a 15-story building. Workers put tower cranes together at the start of a job and take them apart when a job is done. The cab is at the top of the tower. It is a long way up to the cab. I climb hundreds of steps every day. There are no elevators in tower cranes. Crane operators must be in good health to climb all of those steps. The cab is very small. It has a driver's seat, dials, and levers. Dials show how high loads are being lifted. They also show how well the crane's motors are running. A crane operator uses a set of levers to lift loads, carry them to the correct spots, and lower them again. The wind outside the cab whistles loudly. Even though my crane is bolted down to a concrete pad, it sways with the breeze. Tower cranes are made to sway in strong winds. If they weren't able to sway, a big gust of wind might snap them in two. The beam above my head is called the boom. A trolley slides along one end. It moves the load. The other end of the boom holds concrete counterweights. Without counterweights, a tower crane would tip over whenever it tried to lift something heavy. I push a lever and lower the crane's cable and hook to the ground. Cables are made of many metal ropes. There may be more than 100 ropes in each cable. Before I lift a load, I place a test weight on the hook. I do this test to make sure the crane can handle the load. It is impossible for tower crane operators to hear people on the ground. Operators must use two-way radios to communicate with other workers. My crane lifts and moves loads of wood, metal beams, and other building supplies. It also lifts large, heavy tools. Tower cranes are strong enough to lift nearly 40,000 pounds, 18,000 kilograms, about as much as 4 adult elephants. When I am done for the day, I make sure the cab is locked for the night. Then I carefully climb back down to the ground. Crane operators travel from one job to another. They may be away from home for long periods of time.